To zip a WordPress site, you need to package both the WordPress files and the database into a compressed format. Follow these steps. Backup WordPress files. Access files. Use an FTP client like FileZilla or your hosting provider's file manager to access the WordPress installation files. Select files. Locate your WordPress directory. Select all files, including subfolders like WP Content, WP Admin, WP Includes, and files like wp-config.php. Zip the files. Right-click on the selected files and choose the option to compress or zip. This will create a zip file containing all your WordPress files. Backup the database. Access phpMyAdmin. Log into your hosting control panel and open phpMyAdmin. Export database. Select the WordPress database and click Export. Choose the quick method and the SQL format, then click Go to download the database file. Combine files and database. Compress database. You can zip the database SQL file and combine it with the WordPress file zip file for a complete backup.